Hi there. In this tutorial, I will be drawing this dolphin from the book Zoo Zen, a yoga story for kids. Now you can either watch me draw or draw along with me. Either way, let's get started. I start with a simple sketch. And in this case, I'm going to draw an action line down the dolphin's side into the back. And then I'm going to make two circles, one for the head and one for the body. You can't really tell with a dolphin where one begins and the other ends, but it helps me to define the shape. And I'm gonna do like a curved line indicating where the other body parts go. Next, I'm gonna move on to the outline. I'm gonna draw a thicker line down the head and the back, and then down the belly. The back flippers, the tail. Next, I'm gonna give the dolphin his cute little smile, or her smile. Before I move on to the details, you can have fun with the details. So in this case, I added a little blowhole water spout and decorate however I want to. There's really no rules. I did kind of keep the same design to keep consistent with the original drawing. And there you have it. Oh, let's add the little shell so we're consistent. Simple as that. Here's a dolphin. For free coloring sheets and additional tutorials, please visit my website. And keep on drawing.